Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So whenever you do a comment in any post, any page or any celebrity post, and lots of people are liking on that comment, for example, uh, 10 people have liked your post. So how to see the list of those 10 people who have liked in your comment? Okay, so I will show you in my mobile screen how to get that list. Open your Instagram and go to notification. So here you can see I have commented something, and there is approx 20, 21 and 22 likes are there. I will click on this one. So here you can see. So if you will click on this like icon or in 22, what will happen? The dislike will happen, but we are unable to see the list. So how to check the list? You have to press and hold on this like for few seconds. Here you can see. Once you have liked, so once you will press and hold on that, you will see the list of people who have liked your comment. So here you can see I will press and hold on this. So here is the list. So in this way you can see the list of people who have liked your comment. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.